Question: A upon B is equal to C upon D. It is given. And asking you to show that A cube C plus AC cube upon B cube D plus BD cube is equal to A plus C power 4 upon B plus D power 4. Okay. So take A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to K. Therefore, A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. A upon B is equal to K. Therefore, A is equal to BK. C upon D is equal to K. So, C is equal to DK. Okay. Now, write the question. A cube C plus AC cube upon D plus BD cube is equal to A plus C power 4 upon B plus D power 4. Wherever A is there, write BK. In the place of A, write BK. And in the place of C, write DK. Clear? In the place of C, write DK. And in the place of A, write BK. So, BK whole cube and DK plus BK DK whole cube upon B cube D plus B D cube. Okay, is equal to BK plus DK upon B plus D power 4. Can we write? Next, what you will write? Next, common we have to take out. Here, B cube, K cube. So, here also K power 4 and here also K power 4. And then D and D. B and D. Okay, common. So, B, or we let it be like this. We can take only K power 4. K power 4 and in the bracket B cube D plus B D cube upon B cube D plus B D cube. Okay, now this bracket, same element, we can cancel it. Okay, same way here K common we can take it and in the bracket B plus D, B plus D power 4. B plus D and this B plus D get cancelled. Bracket is having the same element, so we can cancel it. So you will write K power 4 is equal to K power 4 left hand side equal to right hand side, hence true. Clear? Understood? So, A given A upon B is equal to C upon D. Then A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to K. A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. Now, show that A cube C plus AC cube upon B cube D plus BD cube is equal to A plus C power 4 upon B plus D power 4. So, in the place of A, you have to write BK. In the place of C, we have to write DK. Now, take out in both K power 4 is common. Okay, and B and D also we can take it out common, but I can because whatever in the bracket, no, same elements in the denominator also we have. So, both the brackets are same, we can cancel it. You will get K power 4. Same way here K common, take it out. And the remaining B plus D upon B plus D. So, these two brackets same, we can cancel it. So, what is left? K power 4. So, K power 4 is equal to K power 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, proved. Clear? Question number 9. If y is the mean proportional between x and z, show that xy plus yz is the mean proportional between x square plus y square and y square plus z square. What is given? Y is the mean proportional. So, y square is equal to x into z. See, x, y, y, z. Therefore, y squared is equal to xz. Mean proportional. Clear? So, y squared is equal to xz. Then, show that this one is given. Okay. Show that xy plus yz whole square is equal to x square plus y square into y square plus z square. Mean proportional of xy plus yz is the mean proportional between x square plus y square and y square plus z square. Okay. Now, wherever y square is there, you can put xz. Here you have to take it out. Take. Y is common here. So, y squared I am taking out. And in the bracket I am writing x plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square into y square plus z square. Okay. See here. Here y is common and part 2. Therefore, y squared we have taken out. The remaining x plus z whole square. Clear? Now, in the place of y squared, we have to put xz. Right? Xz. X plus z whole square is equal to x square plus xz and xz plus z square. We can write. Now, xz, x plus z whole square is equal to here also x common and you will write x plus z and here z is common and you write x plus z. Okay, now xz, x plus z whole square and xz, x plus z 1, 2, no, whole square. Are they equal? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, proved. Okay. Xy plus yz whole square is equal to x square plus y square into y square plus z square. And then y is common. I have taken. Okay, it is square. Therefore, y squared outside and x plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square into y square plus z square. And wherever y square is there, I have written xz. Okay. And calculate, you will see left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, proof. Clear? Question number 12. Very important question. Question number 12. It is given if y is the mean proportional between x and z. So, y square is equal to xz. It is given y is the mean proportional between x and z. Therefore, y square is equal to xz. And then what they say? Prove that x square minus y square plus z square upon x minus 2 part. Okay. Minus y minus part 2 plus z minus part 2 is equal to y power 4. Important question. Clear? Now, we have to prove this. Okay. So, wherever y squared is there, you will put xz. Now, you have to solve it. Bring it to the lowest term, then we can put the value. Now, see here. X square minus y square plus z square and divided by, okay, x minus 2 minus y minus 2 plus z power minus 2. Okay. Clear? I am taking the left hand side. Now, x square minus y square plus z square divided, okay, 1 upon x square minus 1 upon y square plus 1 upon z square. Okay, you know, minus means we have to write in reciprocal. Now we have to take LCM for this. So x square minus y square plus z square divided by x square, y square, z square. Okay, here we have to see x squared, y squared, z squared. Therefore, take the LCM. And first one, x squared is there, y squared, z squared, we have to multiply. Second one, y squared is there, therefore, x squared, z squared, we have to multiply. Third one, z squared is there, x squared, y squared. Now, we have to write down in reciprocal. X squared minus y squared plus z squared. And change the divide sign into multiple. And write down in reciprocal. Okay. Y squared z squared minus x squared z squared plus x squared y squared. Okay. Got it? Now what we have to do is, we have to take out the common. X square minus y square plus z square. And wherever xz, we can write y square. So I am going to write x squared, y squared, z squared upon y squared, z squared minus y power 4 plus x squared, y squared. Can I write? Now, x squared minus y squared plus z squared into x squared, y squared, z squared upon y squared common, z squared minus y squared plus x squared. So, this and this get cancelled. And now see, x squared positive, here also positive. Minus y squared plus z squared plus z squared. So, this bracket is same or not? So, cancel this bracket. So, what you will get? X squared z squared, that is equal to y power 4, that is right hand side. Hence, proved. Clear? Understood? See, again I will repeat, it is very important question. They have given y is the mean proportional between x and z. So, y squared is equal to xz. It is given. Okay, then prove that x squared minus y squared plus z squared upon x power minus 2 minus y power minus 2 plus z power minus 2 is equal to y power 4. Okay, so take the left hand side alone. Taken x squared minus y squared plus z squared divided by x power minus 2 minus y power minus 2 plus z power minus 2. Now, this one we have to write down in reciprocal in order to make a positive power. So, you got 1 upon x squared minus 1 upon y squared plus 1 upon z squared. Now, take the LCM and you got. Okay. So, wherever xz is there, we can write y squared. Therefore, x squared z squared, we can write y power 4. Now, take out the y squared common. Because here also y squared, here also y squared, here also y squared. So, we can take it out. So, y squared common we have taken and cancel it. And now you check this bracket and this bracket will have the same element. Positive x squared, negative y squared, positive z squared. Okay, so bracket get cancelled. What is left? X squared and z squared. So, x squared z squared is equal to y power 4. That is equal to right hand side, hence proof. Clear? What is given? 14th question. Find two numbers such that the mean proportional between them is 12. Let the two number be. Let the two numbers be x and y. Okay. And then what they have given? The mean proportional between them is 12. X, 12, 12 and y. It is given. So what we will write? 12 square is equal to xy. Therefore xy is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 upon 1. Keep it 1. Okay, what is given in the question? Find two numbers such that the mean proportional between them is 12 and the third proportional to them is 96. Third proportional to them is 96. So let the two numbers be x and y, and it's a mean 12 is the mean proportional, no? So x ratio 12 equal to 12 ratio y, and you got this. Xy is equal to 12 square and x is equal to 144 upon y. And second is 96 is the third proportional. Okay, so you write x ratio y, okay, y ratio 96, A, B and C. Now here you will get y squared is equal to 96 x. Now put 1 in y squared is equal to 96 x. So y squared is equal to 96 into 144 upon y. So y cube is equal to 96 into 144. Y is equal to cube root of 96 into 144. So you will write y is equal to, okay, cube root 8 12s are 96 into, so you will get y cube root is 8 into 12 into 12 into 12. 24. Y is equal to 24. Now get x. X is equal to 6. Numbers are 6 and 12. See the question number 15. Given third proportional. Find the third proportional. Find the third proportional to x upon y plus y upon z and under root x square plus y square. X upon y plus y upon z is the first element, okay, first proportion, and then under root x square plus y square is second proportion, and the third proportion be x. Let the third proportion be x. So you will write A is to B is equal to B is to x. Okay, so B square is equal to AX. You will get what is B square. So third proportional we can take it as, here all our x and y, no, let me take it as C. Okay, so you will write under root x square plus y square whole square is equal to x upon y plus y upon x. Y upon x. Now into C. Take LCM. These two get cancelled. So x square plus y square. And here x square plus y square upon xy into C. Then C is equal to x square plus y square upon x square plus y square into xy, cross multiply. So these two get cancelled. C is equal to xy. Then answer you write third proportional. Third proportional is equal to xy. Clear? Third proportional to is xy. First one, second one and the third one. Okay, third one is not given, so let it be as a C only. Okay, A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. B squared is equal to AC. In the place of B, you have to write x square plus y square whole square, cancel it. And in the place of x, you will write A place A x upon y plus y upon x. And then Take the LCM and cross multiple, you will get the third proportional value, that is xy. Clear? The next question. 16th question. It is given if P ratio Q is equal to R is to S. If P ratio Q is equal to R ratio S, then show that MP plus NQ ratio Q is equal to MR plus NS ratio S. Okay, so this one is given. Clear? That is given, no? Let us take that one. P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Given. Now, with this, what is that? M in the numerator, you see? M. So, multiply. Keep it as 1. Okay. 1 by M. Right? So, you write M into P upon Q is equal to M into R upon S. So, you get MP upon Q is equal to MR upon S. Next, what is this? N is there, no? So, add N on both sides. So, you will get MP upon Q plus N, MR upon S plus N. Take LCM. MP plus NQ upon Q is equal to MR plus NS upon S. Now, you can write like this. Hence, proved. Okay. So, P upon Q is equal to R upon S given. So, multiply both the side by M and then add N on both the side. Take LCM and you will get the answer. Hence, proved. Clear?